brace is for your comfort.
Okay.
I mean, you know how I was wearing the split?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so that's mainly for your comfort. Because they're saying, yeah, there's definitely no fracture or dislocation
Bro,
on
this
the
nigga
wrist.
talks like a fucking idiot. Alright, so we at motherfucking Santa Monica, technically. Finna go see what's popping with the skate park and shit. I don't know if the beach is open to be like the boardwalk and shit, but we're gonna go check it out. We're gonna go see what's up with your bitch ass. Ready? Let's do it. So, oh, I still gotta find a fucking little bag because I'm tired of carrying my camera in my pocket. Ooh, that bitch hit the rim though. Hello, Moto.
You know? Appreciate that, brother.
Gotcha.
Ground level.
Smell good as fuck. Late for work.
What you paying?
Wait. That nigga feet black as hell. You know what they should start doing? They need to start making the license plate digital. Like when you turn the car on.
That would be hard.
Yeah. Don't steal my shit, niggas. Copyright that motherfucker. Digital license plate. When you cut that bitch on, it like
You might have to,
like a LED type shit.
you might
Like,
have to start that yourself.
and then when you turn the car off, the license plate go off. My armpits are kind of sweaty, brother.
Hell, your nigga almost died. I seen that shit. Pooh Shicey, that's my dog. Little Pooh, you know I'm really shicey.
Swim out. Oh, that shit is still on.
Big ass steers, yo.
Waves is hitting that bitch hard as fuck. With your bitch ass. Matter of fact, take me a picture too. So I can just be like, ah. Gang, 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 gang. Gang, gang. You dig?
Put the shades. You gotta make that jump over there, man. I don't think I could jump that far.
If I had a running start,
You
nah.
run on this railing, but that's gonna be hard as fuck to do.
I'm trying to think, why the fuck wouldn't somebody even have to get over there?
Jimmy Airplane going to get the bag. Let's go get this bag.
Shit hard. Robin Rules, bro.
Getting the bag.
I feel like the other one was bigger.
Probably looser because everybody and their mama tried that shit on.
This is the one that everybody was like, think I should get it? Shit fly. Till I find
It do
another
match
bag.
the shirt though.
Till I find another bag, shit. That had hard. I'm not gonna lie, the bag is not speaking to me. The bag is not speaking to me.
Are you kidding me?
What the flower?
One day he's gonna have kids and torture him. That will be my
I
revenge.
thought I seen something out of my peripheral. I think it was something over the fence. How much trouble could you possibly get in for a little?
Thank you. Oh,
You want me to get it for you?
would you? You're
Absolutely.
so awesome.
Go ahead, bro.
GoPro.
Don't fuck your wrist up, bro.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh my God, thank you.
Jimmy the savior.
Right?
Jimmy the savior.
Who says we don't have heroes? Thank you.
Practice safe
Absolutely, no
sex.
problem. No problem. Practice safe sex.
I already did it.
Jimmy the savior.
You know, show them some sweatpants, but made it to motherfucking Venice, bitch.
Motherfucking legs is burning.
My arm hurts. But oh, got the satchel. Got the satchel though. Peep it. Peep it. Had to get something because I was tired of carrying my GoPro and shit in my pocket. Adidas, you feel me? What is that? I ain't gonna lie, I'm type hungry though. I need like a little snack or something, you feel me? A little snack or something. Might have to go get a little bottle or something, you feel me? Get litty. Last time I was out here tried that, I got a ticket though, so I don't know. Song low-key fire. Look, we can rent an electric bike. Per hour is $8.
If you don't move your hands, the bar will not move. The kids don't move your hands. Once you start moving, you'll drop. Want to test it out real quick?
I would, but I could beat the bar. I beat the bar every day.
What you gotta do?
I don't even know, but it smells like shit over there. Airplane. Oh, that nigga finna choke the dog, bro. Oh, he tripping. Poor dog. My lips are dry as fuck too.
Go ahead. Kill it. You gotta kill it. You gotta kill it.
Want some? Want some? Oh, I can't drink here?
Well,
My fault.
Sorry.
My fault. Can I finish the rest, please? Can I finish it?
Yeah, it's already out.
It's almost done, I swear.
Just kill it. Kill it. Go, 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 go. This nigga got out the store and put the mask on. What?
He was like, I thought he was doing like this, like chug it. He was like, no, you can't drink it here. Sunglasses $15. That's more like it.
Those Versace? Oh, they got the Gucci's.
Oh, them the coochies, nigga. Look at here.
They got Thursday. My son, Mr. Two Wings, was about to get the 2 wings and the Chuck Taylor.
You got the wings, right?
For silver?
This one's not bad.
Yeah, this one is cool.
Beads. Beads. Yeah, I'm straight with this one. Moscow?
From Moscow.
Is that up more or down more?
Russia. Moscow.
Oh, wow. Oh, you do got a little accent. That's nice. I like
But
that.
it's like it's window on top. Yeah. How's the weather or the
It's snowing right now.
snow? Sometimes I miss snow, but not too much.
In Russia? Snows in Russia? Is it hot there?
Right now it's like kind of like turning from cold to warm. Mid-season. Check our cart. We have an online shopping, so you can order
Oh,
online.
thank you very much.
Thank you again for wine. I really need it right now.
Oh, yeah. I can see it in your face. I'm actually going to put these on right now.
No sad stories, but they happen. I mean, I don't like to tell people my sad stories. It's, no one they have their own, right?
But, I mean, I'm here to listen.
Yeah. How do you know?
I
Are you the prophet
get
too?
this.
You spiritual?
A little bit, yeah. Somewhat.
I'll give you the amount.
Oh.
Take the transfer so you can find your identification. And I want God to send you right people and you'll be doing what you was born for. Amen.
Thank you. Thank you. I
Oh.
felt it. I felt it. Can you help me with this? Do you
When
mind?
it comes from spirit like this.
Oh, no, I meant can you like put it on? My fingers are really sweaty.
Oh, it's his money. He got discount, you know. That you.
Is it backwards?
Backwards?
Is it backwards? I can't see.
No, it's good.
Good.
Alright?
Thank you very much.
From newborn prophet.
There we go. Thank you very much. Have a blessed day. Guys, thank you.
What y'all got? What y'all got?
Airplane.
Airplane, moving like an airplane flying in the sky. Any word of the dictionary, gotta improvise. Everybody mortified because I'm hopping on the G5. I use my mind, so I gotta go exercise. Everybody got it modified, but I'm mortified. I gotta rap up on the corner just to find the vine. Man, I'm like an airplane. I bring flame like I'm Luke Kane. Peter Parker ate with a Mary Jane. I got 2 guns, sword like I'm Max Payne. I'm rapping about the misery, I'm coming with pain. And everybody say an airplane and astrology, so I gotta be a star like astrology. Hey, hey y'all,
Damn.
right on me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, y'all. Chase_MILL. Chase_Mill. I'm gonna be our favorite rapper real soon. I wish I got a Newport.
Yeah.
I'll take some Newport. That's a blessing, man. Fuck it.
Hold up.
I need to take a break anyway, man.
Put her hand on my shoulder and shit. She was like,
saying that, so I'm like, what the fuck?
put her hand on my head. I was like, you're a cleanse. So I was like, okay. I don't like the beads. His beads, sister.
So this is silver, comes from Egypt, and I prefer you have one like that.
See me in that one, huh?
Yeah. Why? Because
I was thinking the same.
it's jealousy, envy, witchcraft, and people so angry whatever you publish, you know.
I have also read from up here. I will look around.
What do you mean? What he said?
There's a good fortune, affection for jealousy, envy, witchcraft. Like a hater, when they look at you wherever you're publishing, and it's
Like a
just
hater block.
Yeah.
Hater blogger.
They just.
So his neck ain't gonna turn green, right?
Yeah, no, you come back.
Yeah, first.
Come back.
I got bad eyes.
No, I got. Take your time, and I get something. Give me 1 second. I'm like. Enjoy it. Yes, it's real. Yes, silver too. I'm not a familiar 16.
Oh.
I like the zero, you know.
You make it 380.
No, man.
No, he came back and went up.
You put discount?
Put him on, man. Hey, bro, I'm gonna make it for you 300.
I think
That's how you get free parking in LA.